Hello, and welcome back to our series on WorkManager and Jetpack Compose. In our previous video, we learned how to work with one-time work request, which allows us to schedule tasks to run just once. Now in this video, we'll take it a step further and explore the periodic work manager. With periodic work request, you can schedule tasks that repeat at regular intervals, making it perfect for tasks like syncing data, sending notifications, or performing background updates periodically. We'll dive into how to set up periodic work, handle task execution, and properly manage the intervals to avoid overloading your system resources. So, if you're looking to automate recurring background tasks, this video is for you. Let's jump in and learn how to create and manage periodic work manager in Jetpack Compose. Now, let's break down the code for our notification worker, which will show notifications periodically. This worker is designed to be executed by the periodic work request that we'll configure in the next steps. First, we have the notification worker class, which extends the worker class. This is the base class that all background tasks in WorkManager inherit from. The doWork method is where the work happens, and it's the method that gets called when the worker is executed. In our case, the worker's task is to show a notification, so inside doWork, we call a custom method showNotification. In the showNotification method, we start by defining a channel ID called Channel 1 and obtaining a Notification Manager instance to handle the notifications. If the device is running Android Oreo, API 26 or higher, we create a notification channel. This is necessary because from Oreo onwards, notifications need to be tied to a channel, few parameters, the channel ID, a name for the channel, and the importance level. In this case, we set the importance to Importance High to ensure that the notification is highly visible. We also provide a brief description of the channel, which helps users understand its purpose. After creating the channel, we call Notification Manager. Create Notification Channel to register it with the system. This step ensures the channel is available for use when sending notifications. Next, we use Notification Compat.Builder to build the actual notification. We pass in the application context and the channel ID, so the notification is linked to the channel we created. We also set the small icon, title, and content text. In this example, the title is Periodic Notification, and the content text explains that the notification will appear every 15 minutes. We also set the priority to Priority High to make sure the notification stands out and catches the user's attention. Finally, we call notification manager.notify1notification to display the notification. The 1 is the notification ID, which allows us to update or cancel the notification later if needed. This code registers a permission request for notifications using activity result contracts. Request permission. Titty. If the user grants permission, it calls schedule notification to schedule the notification. If denied, it shows a false toastmodals message notifying the user that notification permission is needed. This code checks if the Android version is 13, tiramisu, or higher. If so, it requests the post notifications permission. Otherwise, it directly calls schedule notification. Remember to mention post notifications in the Android manifest for devices running Android 13, API 33 and above. This code schedules a periodic notification using WorkManager. It creates a periodic work request that triggers every 15 minutes, executing the notification worker. This is the final step, where the worker is enqueued to run periodically using WorkManager.getInstance context. On queue. Now let's run this code. After running it, the work request will be triggered immediately, meaning the notification will appear just after the app is launched. You can also verify that the WorkManager is running and executing properly by using the App Inspection option in Android Studio. This will show all the details about our WorkManager and let you see logs indicating when the task is first executed. Next, we need to wait for 15 minutes. After this time, the periodic task will run again. Keep in mind that the actual behavior of the periodic task may depend on various factors, such as the phone's battery status, network conditions, and system optimizations. While the task may experience some delays, it will eventually show the notification as expected, depending on the device's situation. As you can see, our WorkManager is triggered after 15 minutes, which means our code is working perfectly. The periodic task is running as expected, and the notification appears as intended. You can also add your own custom logic to tweak how the task runs based on your app's needs. This is the final video in the WorkManager in Jetpack Compose series. I hope you've enjoyed the series and found it helpful. If you liked it, please share it with your friend. All right, that's a wrap for this video. I hope you found it helpful. The complete source code is available on GitHub. You can find the link in the description below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and comment your thoughts or any questions you have. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And hey, follow us on Instagram for more updates, behind-the-scenes content, and coding tips. Thanks for watching, keep coding, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy coding!